Look at this surprise. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. We have the Brio World Deluxe Railway Set.
Yes!
You want to open this?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is so exciting.
Is this so exciting?
This is my favorite surprise.
It's your favorite surprise? Oh gosh, I need 2 hands, so let me put this down. Okay. So we took it out of the box. Dude, this looks like its own little storage box. I love that.
And look what's in here.
I know, you want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, here, can you pull this? Pull this and I'll hold on to this. Pull it. There we go. Okay, so here's the box.
Now let's
Put this.
Now let's open it up and
That
see
over
what's
here.
inside.
Oh, Velcros. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Here, these look like instructions. I'm gonna put these off to the side.
Oh my goodness, there's like an elevator.
What's this?
An elevator. A bridge.
Bridges. Here.
So many.
These
What?
look like little track holders to put.
I'll get them out.
Yeah, want to take those out for me?
Ugh. It's so heavy, right?
So heavy.
Oh, look, an elevator. What's this?
Oh, that might be the shipping. That might be for the shipping.
It's a magnet.
Here's some switch tracks. You want to hang on to those? Yes.
Whoa.
Oh, this looks like a train.
Ugh.
Wow, what's
A
that?
station.
That's heavy.
A station. Whoa.
Wow.
This looks like a station.
It looks like a station and a train car.
A tunnel.
Okay.
What's
tunnel.
this?
It's like more trains.
What's this? That's so heavy. Ugh.
Is it heavy? You got it?
Got
Okay,
it.
take that out. What's
It's
that?
an elevator.
Do you know how to work the elevator? How do you work the elevator?
Beep, 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 beep,
Oh
beep.
yeah, great job.
And it goes down.
It goes down and it goes up. The rest of this just looks like tracks. Tracks. There you go, dude.
I got this out.
Great job. Yeah, you want to take the bridges out? So we have these tracks, more roads.
I got them.
Awesome. Look
Now-
at those bridges.
We got
How
one
many
bridge.
of them do we have?
3.
1. This is number 2. Number 3.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Okay. Oh, this is your little station. That's cool. You
And
can
the elevator.
open and close. Want to help me take all these out of the bags? These are all the track elevations.
Why?
Oh, Liam, here we go. There we go. I think you're looking for people, right? Here's a station where you wait for the train, or you wait for, is that a bus? This is really cool, Munchkin. Look at this.
I can't take this out. Ugh.
Here's the boat,
Whoa,
or the
cargo
shipping.
ship.
The cargo ship, that's right. That is a cargo ship. There you go.
And look.
Okay, so here's our tunnel.
Bye-bye. This passenger is going to the top floor. See you soon.
Tunnel, that's cool. Switch tracks we had earlier. And this is so cool. I can't wait to put this together.
And,
Here's it's like a subway train.
ooh, yeah.
That's cool.
Thanks for connecting it.
You're welcome.
Here comes the passenger train.
This is for the cargo ship.
Bye-bye. Whoa, that's so cool.
Look at that, kiddo. Here's like a subway train. You want to take this?
This is so heavy.
That's not heavy. So here's just some road pieces. Some crossings.
2 crossings.
2 crossings. Yep. Here's your freight train.
Whoa.
You wanna take that?
Whoa.
I think these little pieces go inside. Or is this for I think this is for the boat. Oops. The boat. The shipping container. The shipping boat, right?
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Thanks.
Those pieces. And our stations and our other stations. Oh gosh, we're gonna have to figure out. We're gonna have to figure out how to do this. It's like a little railroad thing.
Oh,
That's so cool. Okay, Munchkin, that was so cool. Okay, so we're not really putting this away. Now you wanna put this all together?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.